Imagine you're sitting at your desk right now. Coffee, phone, normal Tuesday. And then, in a fraction of a second, everything you own becomes a missile. Your car, your house, the ocean, all of it. Launched east at 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's not a movie. That's physics. And it gets so much worse. Today we're going through exactly what would happen, second by second, day by day, if Earth suddenly stopped spinning. Some of this is survivable. Most of it isn't. Let's get into it. Right now, the surface of the Earth at the equator is moving at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. You don't feel it. You never have. Because everything around you is moving at the same speed. But the second Earth stops, you don't stop with it. Inertia, basic physics. You keep moving east at 1,670 kilometers per hour. Everything on the surface that isn't bolted to bedrock becomes a projectile. People, cars, topsoil, entire forests, gone. East in seconds. The atmosphere doesn't stop either. Air has mass. Air has momentum. And suddenly, it's a global supersonic wind event. We're talking winds that dwarf any hurricane ever recorded. Category 5 is 250 kilometers per hour. This is 6 times that. Sustained. Everywhere. All at once. Every structure on Earth leveled within minutes. Every forest stripped to bedrock. And that's just the wind. Here's something most people don't know. The Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It bulges at the equator by about 21 kilometers because of the centrifugal effect of spinning. Stop the spin, that bulge goes away, and the oceans sitting on top of it redistribute. Trillions of tons of seawater would surge toward the poles in mega tsunamis unlike anything in recorded history. Waves hundreds of meters high, sweeping inland for thousands of kilometers. Eventually, and this is eerie, the oceans settle. But they settle somewhere new. Earth ends up with one giant equatorial ocean, ringed around the middle. And 2 new land masses appear at the poles. The exposed sea floor, miles of barren rock that haven't seen sunlight in tens of millions of years. A completely different planet, wearing the same face. If Earth stopped spinning completely, not slowed, stopped, one side faces the sun permanently. One side sits in permanent night. The sunlit side? Surface temperatures eventually climb past 100 degrees Celsius. The dark side? Drops to minus 100 degrees Celsius and keeps going. There's a narrow twilight strip in between, the Terminator zone. If anything survives, it survives there. A thin ring of livable temperature wrapped around a dying planet. Oh, and one more thing. Earth's magnetic field? It's generated by the movement of molten iron in the core, which is driven in part by Earth's rotation. Stop the spin, weaken the field, and now solar radiation hits the atmosphere directly. Over thousands of years, it strips it away. We become Mars, just warmer. for a while. Deep in the ocean floor, around hydrothermal vents, there are ecosystems that don't need sunlight, don't need warmth from above, don't need a magnetic field. They feed on chemical energy from the Earth's crust. They would survive. Probably. Tardigrades? Almost certainly. They've survived vacuum, radiation, boiling, freezing. A planet that forgot how to spin is just another Tuesday for them. Humans? Some bunker, maybe, briefly. But civilization, the kind built on stable seasons, reliable currents, breathable air, gone. We are creatures of the spin. We evolved inside it, timed to it, dependent on it. Take it away, and we were never really built to last. The reason none of this has happened is simple. The forces that would stop Earth's spin don't exist at this scale. Not naturally. Not in our solar system. But here's what this thought experiment tells us. Every single system we depend on, weather, oceans, magnetism, seasons, rests on the fact that this rock is spinning. Quietly, reliably. 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. Right now. If you found that unsettling, good. It should be. If you want more videos like this, the kind that make you look at normal things a little differently, subscribe. No pressure. But there's a lot more where that came from.